$166 billion. That's how much the US government collected in tariffs that a federal judge just ruled were illegal. And here's the kicker. The agency responsible for refunding that money just told the court they can't do it. Not right now. Maybe not until the end of April. Their computer systems, they say, can't handle it. If that sounds like organized chaos at the highest levels of economic policy, you're not wrong. And if you're sitting on a serious portfolio wondering what the heck this means for your money, stick with me, because there's actually a clear-headed way to think about this. By the way, if we haven't met, I'm Mark's digital avatar. Okay, back to the video. Let me give you the 90-second version of what's going on, because the financial media is making this more confusing than it needs to be. Last year, the Trump administration used IEEPA to impose sweeping tariffs. Then in February, the Supreme Court struck those tariffs down. President exceeded his authority. Now here's where it gets interesting for investors. Trump didn't back down. He immediately imposed a new 15% global tariff. The practical difference? The average tariff rate dropped slightly from about 16% to roughly 13.7%. Meaningful, but not dramatic. But here's the piece that really matters. U.S. Customs just told a federal court they can't refund $166 billion immediately. Think about that for a moment. Over 330,000 importers filed more than 53 million individual entries. Customs says they need to upgrade their entire system first. Best case timeline, end of April. This signals a massive state of economic uncertainty. And right now, consumer sentiment is sitting at 56.4, squarely in recessionary territory. The VIX climbed nearly 30% in a single month. So let's talk about what actually matters for someone with a serious portfolio. Because the conventional wisdom you're probably hearing is exactly the wrong framework. You've probably heard, stay diversified and wait it out. I'm not saying that's entirely wrong, but it's incomplete for someone with a meaningful nest egg. From 45 years of watching markets, I know volatility isn't just a risk to manage, it's a tool to monetize. Options premiums inflate when the VIX spikes. Higher implied volatility equals higher premiums. Right now, premiums are elevated precisely because of all this tariff uncertainty. That's money directly into your account. Now here's where most instructors stop. The real edge isn't in the initial trade. It's in what you do when the market moves against you. In an environment where policy can reverse overnight, a surface-level approach will hurt you. You need a playbook of defensive adjustments. Knowing when to roll your position or step aside is what separates a systematic strategy from a guessing game. The goal is to have a disciplined response ready. We are in a period where the rules of the economic game are genuinely changing. The Supreme Court's signal was that even ambitious policy tools have limits. We're likely in for another round of policy debates and market reactions over the next few months. This keeps volatility and premiums elevated. Wealthy investors build systems that perform across conditions. They're not trying to time the resolution. They're collecting premium while everyone else waits. So to bring it back, $166 billion in illegal tariffs and a market on edge. For systematic investors, this is actually an unusually productive environment. The goal is never to have all the answers. The goal is to have a process that works regardless. If this resonates, I'd encourage you to keep watching. We put out new content regularly, and if you haven't subscribed yet, it keeps this kind of analysis coming your way. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.
Hey everybody, just a quick thing to tell you about our Wealth Accelerator live event in Arizona, just outside of the Phoenix area, April 17th through the 19th. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live Strategy Room. And this is where we're going to have kind of an intimate event, not one of my bigger events. It's a small event where we're going to have high value conversations with like-minded people. You're going to be networking there, going really deep on strategies about income. And we're going to be really delving into stocks, reading charts, and I'll give you a breakdown of the stocks that I think are going to do well in the last half of 2026. So you don't want to miss it. Hotel rooms are already going pretty quick. There's a link at the bottom here. Again, it's called the Wealth Accelerator Live Strategy Room. Love to have you there. It looks like a pretty cool venue if you could take a look at that. It's got, a big old pool and an 18-hole championship golf course. So if you want to come early, stay late, I'm going to do that. So it'd be great to see you there, meet you face to face. Check on the link below, and then you'll have to call the hotel and get your hotel rooms because they're going fast. Anyway, just wanted to bring that up. Love to see you there, but get your tickets now because it's going to sell out. It's not many seats. Take care. Bye.